This is a new 2017 Ford Explorer. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, premium rims, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, roof rails, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Iron Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1221 North Market Street, Sparta, Illinois, 62286.